Life.
Not bad, not bad.
I had to say it.
No, that was the best answer you could come up
Look interested though.
with. I was going to suggest a new brand called Green Batteries or something like that. Environmentally friendly and...
He's just playing around. That's all he's doing because that fun cub, he actually, you can see him flap quicker to get close to the fun cub, and then...
They sound like, oh, it's making a different noise than most other animals. We'll stay away.
Well, look, he's catching up to it, look.
Well, it's a good sign, a good way of knowing how big that thing is. Because it's next to the fun cub. It's not.
Oh! Took a little interest there.
Yeah.
He wants to play.
I'm game.
Well, he's likely thinking I got nobody else to play with all day, and now they're
You here to ride?
putting some toys up for him. Nobody usually puts toys up for Hawks.
I was like, so
Chris
why
looks
go
back.
for it? You just get that look like, say it again. Major point. Yep. Would you bring the fly, anything?